Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. I have been really happy using this Magwell supplement for magnesium. I knew I was low in magnesium, so that's why I wanted to start taking it. But what I loved especially about this supplement is the 3-in-1 formula. So I really like that it has zinc and the vitamin D3 because it's always great to support your immune system and your bone health. So that was just a plus for me. The capsules, as you can see, are about a normal size vegetable capsule. They're not hard to swallow at all, and I usually have a hard time swallowing pills, so these ones are really easy to take. The recommended daily dose is 2 of these. I've been taking this for about a month now, and personally, I like to take it at night before bed. I find that magnesium does help to relax me, relax my muscles before I go to sleep, and I really enjoy the effects that it gives me. So I'm super happy with this supplement overall. I definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.